Okay, here we have a coffee maker, Black Decker. Gonna see how it works. See, the light goes on, and it says brewing. Has a crack on top here, but it's otherwise really in pretty nice shape. There you can see it starting to bubble. I'm not actually making coffee right now, I'm just putting water through it so you can see that it works. Not sure if you can hear it. Let's put it back here so you can hear it. Sorry, this probably doesn't make for the most exciting viewing, but it's maybe slightly more interesting than watching paint dry, I guess. Hey, at least you can see my reflection in here taking the video. Maybe that's... Hi. If you're wondering why I'm wearing my hat, it's because I'm down the basement working and it's cold. This coffee maker is available in my eBay store, Laura's Last Ditch, along with almost 500 other items, all for your browsing pleasure. So I invite you to visit and see what you can find. See, the water level is going lower, so it is working. You probably can't see this, but there's a little, you can see a little steam here, so it looks like it's heating fine. Hang on a minute while I reprimand my kid. George, don't do that, sweetheart. Sounds like it's about done. Let's see what happens with this light. Oh, the light turned off. I guess that means it's time. Okay, here. Let's see what we have. There's steam coming out here. All you viewers out there probably believe by now that this thing works, but let's just see. Oh yeah, see, it's steaming up the lens. I guess that means it's hot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit my eBay store.